Hey guys, it's me CHESKA and back again with another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you this squishy vending machine. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this with your friends, and then my social media will be linked in the description box below. So go, oh my gosh, there's already squishy. So go check them out and let's get on with the video. So let's demonstrate it first before we look at the actual inside of the squishy. So you click that doesn't really work, but it says instructions here and all this stuff. So yeah. Okay, so here's a squishy just fell out, but here it says that it has instructions, but you guys cannot see, but there's instructions. So it says put 5 pesos in the coin slot. So I'll put this. So the reason why it has the pink thingy, because I'm just gonna take this off for this moment. For you to get your coins, if that makes sense. But so yeah. So here's how the squishy vending machine works. So I'll put that in there. You pull and push. Pull the nozzle or whatever that's called, and then you turn this 360 and a squishy will fall out. Okay, it needs to be 360s. So that's the squishy that we got. So I'll show you how to make it. Not how to make it, how we made it. So let's see the inside first. Okay, let's take off all the mechanics. There you go. Let's take this squishy all off now. Okay, so here's how the vending machine looks like without all the mechanics. Oh, we still have a lot of squishies. So, yes. Okay, so here's this squishy, vending machine thing. So inside it doesn't really have much to see, but here it has a little hole. I don't know, but it has that little hole right there. And this has this Pringles circle thingy to keep the lever from from here. So we're not gonna look that. So it's just right there in the circle thingy. And here is where the squishy slides. So when the squishy's here, it slides down from here. Oh, you can't really see it, but it slides down from there. And you'll claim your prize right over here. We're not focusing. And then here's the coin slot. Okay. So there's just coins and just get that in. So yeah, let's see the front or whatever this is called. Here we put some cover paper so the squishies won't fall out. And here is where this thing goes. And then here's the coin slot thing, and here's where you claim your prize. I'm sorry. And here is just a Pringles can. I just wrapped it with colored paper. So yeah, and I also put this cardboard in the top because when I don't, I can see the squishy that I will get. So yeah, let's put it all together so you guys can believe me that it's really how it works. So let's put this machine. First you want to tilt the box. You put in all the squishies. Okay, and then you put the lid. Oh, it's upside down. Put the lid. And this is a shoebox, by the way. And then you put the pull and push knob. So let's go. Make sure you're blocking the squishies. Put the Pringles knob. Put this drawer box in, and it's all ready. The Pringles can, I can agree that it's too long. I want to cut it, but I think it has to do in this way for now. So yeah, let's try it again because it's really fun. I agree, sometimes this doesn't work. Squishy gets stuck and sometimes a lot of squishies come out. So, okay, here's 2 squishies. Okay, so here's the donut, here's a burger. So, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. So, hope you get this, actual video helpful. So, yeah, bye guys.